that just became my identity. That he is a Casanova. And, I was labeled a cheater for a very large part of my life. I still am.
मेरे ट्विटर से लेके इंस्टाग्राम तक सारी ही फीड बस इस इंटरव्यू के क्लिप से भरी पड़ी है. एंड देन माय डूड क्लेम्स दैट ही डज नॉट हैव पीआर. Sure.
She changed more for me than I have changed for her. Everything I complained about or she complained about, I think she made better efforts than I have.
Don't get me wrong, I love him as an actor. Most of my top favorite Bollywood movies have him as a main lead. So I do love to hear him talk about his acting process, his experimentation, his goals. But all I am hearing right now is this.
Playboy guy who was just like dating actresses, and let me tell you, I was in New York for 3 years, 9 months. I didn't date one girl.
I'm sorry to use this overused meme, but not gonna lie, every time that I see Ranbir Kapoor on my feed now, this is all I think. Ranbir Kapoor के करियर की शुरुआत से ही he is more known for his flings than his work. To be very fair, the same can be said about Deepika Padukone as well. Ranbir was an extremely charming young man, तो उनके ये link-ups की खबरें were not surprising at all. His name was attached with almost all of his co-stars: Sonam Kapoor, Deepika Padukone, Nargis Fakri, Mahira Khan, Ileana D'Cruz. But not just love affairs, he was notoriously known as a cheater as well. But the thing is, ये सिर्फ allegations नहीं थे. रणबीर ने खुद इसके बारे में बहुत बार बात की थी. Even his father Rishi Kapoor said this about it back then.
Now I see Ranbir with his old girl, with any girl, I'm sorry, excuse me.
ये क्या, दिल तो बच्चा है. तो हमारे पेशे में कभी कभी कोई सीन करते करते दिल तो आ ही जाता है.
अब देखो, ये बातें मैं या कोई और खुद से तो बना नहीं रहे. He himself has said it. तो why is he now blaming it on others for creating this Casanova image?
The difference between being single mid-20s, being single mid-30s.
See, the thing is, I've never been single in my life. Since the age of 13, in the 7th grade,
7th grade.
till now, like last year, I've always been in a relationship. Let me tell you, I was in New York for 3 years, 9 months. I didn't date one girl. Since the age of 13, in the 7th grade,
7th grade.
till now, like last year, I've always been in a relationship. I didn't date one girl.
Ranbir, it seems like that you yourself enjoyed it in the past, but now your PR is on a cleanup mission. Ranbir is also often blamed for not treating his wife right.
So, do you have any idea why we're going to the Kumbh Mela?
To leave you there so nobody can ever find you there.
It's exciting.
इतना क्या, तू तो पोस्टर में भी नहीं है अभी तक.
There was this clip before their marriage where he is seen kicking her lehenga. अभी कुछ लोग बोलेंगे कि इसमें इतना क्या serious है. So here's the thing. These little actions just show how you respect the other person. Kicking anything that belongs to the other person, anyone, not just your partner, it's disrespectful. Then also there were those awful remarks that he made about Alia while she was pregnant.
Payload everywhere doing. Right now, our focus.
But I can see somebody is payload. Joke.
अभी कुछ लोग बोलेंगे कि it's common between husband and wife, it's just a banter, and if anything, it's even healthy for relationships. Now see, here's the thing. It is healthy when it's back and forth, when it's coming from both the sides. जैसे कि विराट और अनुष्का में ये चीज बहुत देखने को मिलती है. वो दोनों एक दूसरे की बहुत टांग खींचते हैं publicly, and it is cute because they both do it equally without demeaning the other person. In Ranbir and Alia's case, show me one clip, just one, where Alia is bantering with Ranbir like this, where she is saying something funny or silly about him. Just one. Show me one clip. Just one. No? Thought so. If anything, she's often seen cleaning up his image. Wait, is Alia Ranbir's PR? Makes sense.
Even if he's criticizing someone, he'll criticize like this. Like he believes in only saying good things. Otherwise, don't say it. Reputation that he's one big gossiper. He's not a gossiper. He doesn't gossip.
Alia portrays Ranbir as this sant kind of person who never says anything bad about anyone. But girly, I think he just does not have that communication with you, because every other actress has this to say about him.
Hashtag gossip girl. Ranbir gossips a lot.
Even the wipe it off comment that Alia mentioned, लोग बोल रहे थे कि it's normal, it's just the husband's preference, or it's probably playful between them. Why are people concluding an image?
When he wasn't my husband, when he was my boyfriend as well, when we used to go out at night, he's like, wipe that off. Wipe that off, because he loves the natural color.
So the reason is कि हमें तो इसके बारे में कुछ भी नहीं पता था. It was Alia who actually mentioned it, and when she did mention it, she actually mimicked Ranbir's tone. कि oh, he says it like that.
Wipe that off. Wipe that off.
And if that is the tone that he says it in, girly. And it is one thing to have a preference and tell your partner that I like you in a certain way, but to go out of your way to wipe it off when they wanted to wear it in the first place, come on.
Wipe that off.
Everything I complained about or she complained about, I think she made better efforts than I have.
Try very hard to control my anger because my husband does not like it when my voice goes above this decibel.
She changed more for me than I have changed for her.
There were women in the past who refused to take any insults from him and gave it back to him.
When did I give it to you?
You told me, you said, listen, you're being very rude to me in interviews and you need to like tone yourself down.
Okay, no, I didn't.
So you just don't like me as a human being?
So, what was that you were saying, Rajiv? Is
The only reason you wouldn't cast me because I'm not a good human being. Are you saying that?
this is not on the couch with Rajiv. This is not a. This is
What
not
does that
a-
mean?
On the couch is in like a psychiatrist session.
He is such a slightly difficult co-star.
I mean, on the basis of what are you saying? Why is he saying that with so much confidence? Because he'll never prove it. He'll never come on and actually show us.
Mrs. Katrina, you will always be an icon for this. I genuinely got the ick from him while watching these interviews. And it wasn't just with Katrina. Even Anushka has been very straight up with him.
It's raining so badly that it might get like flooded completely and we might not even reach back home.
It's torrential weather. You don't say it's raining badly.
It's raining terribly.
You have a bad English.
No, I went to like government school now. I don't know about you and all your fancy education and all, but I can't help it now. I know what I know.
Mrs. Anushka, thank you. And again, I love him as an actor. He's one of the best that we have in the nation right now. There are no doubts about it at all. But all this PR right now, मुझे लगता है कि ये सिर्फ एक image cleanup campaign है because of his upcoming project of Ramayan. Because let's be honest, our people connect the character that the actors play with their personal image. तो अभी सब लगे हुए हैं उनकी image cleanup करने में और उनको एक नेक family person दिखाने के लिए. But in my opinion, it was a huge PR fail because तुम जानबूझ के वो बातें फिर से क्यों ला रहे हो? Like why are you saying this, Ranbir? Change your PR team, please. तुम्हारे क्या विचार हैं इस चीज को लेके मुझे comment section में जरूर बता देना. That is it for today. You'll see me in the next one. Bye.